Keeping your business simple doesn't mean that you can't meet the revenue or profit goals that you have for your business. It also doesn't mean that you can't create a product or service that will meet the needs your ideal customer is looking for. It's actually the exact opposite. When you keep your business simple by implementing effective operations, you can obtain a greater efficiency and success. This impacts not only how you're doing business and the results that you see in your financial statements, but it will also be seen in your customers when they're looking at your business for help in your area of expertise. In today's podcast episode, I'm covering how you can keep your business simple by focusing on streamlined processes and effective bookkeeping. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Keeping your business simple will help you stay in control and make running your business a breeze. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Whether you're a solopreneur or you have a team, you most likely find yourself juggling many different hats. You may be working on marketing one minute and customer service the next, or you might be working on your product or service and then need to pivot to how you can best deliver it to meet your customers' needs. Keeping things simple doesn't mean you're sacrificing quality. It's about finding the most efficient ways to get things done without being overly complex. Today I want to talk about 3 areas where you can simplify your business so that you can work more efficiently in your business. These are a few of the top areas I work with my clients on, and they're able to see a huge improvement in the impact on the quality of their life when it comes to their business. While I'm going over these areas, I want you to think about your business and how you could make even the slightest change and how much of an impact this could make on your life. First, let's talk about streamlining processes. When you simplify your business processes, it can save you time and reduce stress. When you're strategizing about streamlining processes, you can start by mapping out your workflows. Take some time to map out your business processes from your customer inquiries all the way through your order fulfillment or the delivery of your service. Identify any bottlenecks or redundant steps that could be eliminated or streamlined. Then, add in automation. Leverage technology whenever you can to automate repetitive tasks. Think about your email marketing, social media scheduling, and even your invoicing. All of these can be automated, which would free up your time for more critical tasks. When you're using tools and software, make sure that you're choosing ones that are user-friendly and that they fit your needs. When you jump into complex software, it may have more features, but it will often add unnecessary complications or even potentially cause you to not utilize it. Have you ever purchased something that you thought would take care of a problem, only to see how complicated it would be, so you never even used it for the intent that you originally purchased it for? When you keep it simple, you're much more apt to dive into it. There's something about a short learning curve when you want to implement a new program in your business that gets you motivated. Next, I want to talk about effective bookkeeping. Keeping your finances organized and up to date is crucial for the success of any business, especially when you're running your business as a solopreneur, because you don't have anyone on your team who you can delegate this task to. One of the best ways to keep your business finances simplified is to make sure that you are separating your business and your personal finances. To do this, make sure that you have a separate business bank account. If you're using a credit card for your business, make sure you also have a separate business credit card. Having separate business accounts will allow you to only have to track your business transactions. When you incorporate your personal transactions into your business, you'll need to record all of these as well so that you can reconcile your accounts. By eliminating your personal transactions, you'll reduce the time that you need to record your transactions, and your business finances will be much cleaner. It will give you a more accurate picture of how your business is actually doing financially. Also, try to dedicate a regular time that you'll do your bookkeeping and update your financial records. This could be daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on your business volume. Consistency prevents the buildup of tasks and ensures that you'll always have the most up-to-date and accurate records. By embracing a computerized bookkeeping system, it will help you automate tasks like expense tracking, invoicing, and generating financial reports. This reduces manual errors and it keeps your records up to date. Many business owners have their financial records showing real-time data because they're utilizing bank feeds and other solutions that are available right now in most of the computerized software solutions. I highly recommend using either QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online to do your bookkeeping. Both programs are pretty easy to set up, and when you begin recording your information, you'll start to see how it can simplify your bookkeeping processes. Lastly, I want to cover some essential tips for you as a business owner yourself to help reduce the overwhelm that you may be feeling in your business. One of the main things I see my clients doing is spreading themselves thin all over their business needs. When you can focus on tasks that directly contribute to your business growth and customer satisfaction, you'll start to be more clear about what's important in your business. Whenever you have a task to do, ask yourself, how is it going to help your business? How is it going to generate revenues in your business? Then let go of any tasks that don't align with these priorities or see if they can be delegated. This is one of the main reasons I believe it's so important to set your goals. If you don't know what your goals are, it will be hard to know where you should be focusing your time. If you're a solopreneur and you don't have a team who you can rely on to delegate tasks, you may want to think about outsourcing. When you can't do everything, you can start identifying tasks that can be outsourced. Some of the first things to outsource may be graphic design, marketing, bookkeeping, or administrative tasks. Virtual assistants can be a lifesaver for your business, even if you just find a way to save a few hours every week so that you can focus on a higher priority task or a task that will allow you to utilize your own strengths. Also, make sure that you're setting clear boundaries when it comes to your business. To avoid burnout, you can set clear work hours and boundaries so that you can still enjoy your personal life. You want to ensure that you have time set aside for your personal life and prevent your work from taking over your whole life. So many of my clients are working towards obtaining a work-life balance that they're able to enjoy. This takes a lot of work, and when you set boundaries, you're able to integrate your business and your personal life to complement each other while helping you reach your goals as well as a successful business. Keeping your business simple through streamlined processes and effective bookkeeping doesn't mean that you're cutting corners. It's about finding the most efficient way to run your business without unnecessary complexity. When you're able to keep your business simple, you should achieve a smoother, more successful journey for your business. I want you to take a minute and answer these questions. What if your business thrived on simplicity? What impact would simplicity have on your life? If you feel like your business is struggling with complexity and you want to incorporate simplicity so that you can relieve the stress, anxiety, or even overwhelm that you're currently feeling, I'm here to help. Having an accountant and a certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your business, which enables you to go back to enjoying your business, just like you thought you would when you very first started it. I work with business owners and accountants to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm that they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload that they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution to help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come. And relief knowing that we'll meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals, The investment in this program, it's an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way for you. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it does sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career and to start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.